So today I have an unboxing for a MacBook Air 2 which I've just ordered. It's the refurbished model, and it's basically just arrived from the Apple warehouse. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see how the refurbished MacBook Pro looks like, because if you have any doubts and if you're buying the refurbished one, it'll be a good video for you. So from the packing you can see it says over here on the bottom, Apple certified refurbished MacBook Pro. So that is the MacBook Pro, and so it doesn't have a plastic seal on it. So that was the cardboard box out of the way. Now we have of course the MacBook Pro box. So over here you can see it's a MacBook Pro 14-inch. It's got 32 GB of RAM, it's got 2 terabytes of hard drive. These are the specs. So let's go ahead and open it with these pull tabs. So this video is going to be just of the unboxing and just to see how the packaging is and how it looks like. So this is the MacBook Pro, okay, and it's the M2 Pro with the M2 Pro chip. To be honest, the packaging is just like a brand new one. So this is the one in space gray I've ordered. I really like this color. And so what comes in the box, and let's see, it comes with this power cable and it's braided. There is the charger, I think so that's a 75-watt charger with a plug, and yeah, that's it. You can hook this up with another any other power adapter which could support the MacBook Pro, probably a 60 or 70 watt charger. So this is the MacBook Pro. Very nice, very nicely made. It's quite neat. It's got these rubberized feet, and then these are the screws. Those are the fan vents, and over here it says something, and then apart from that, on the right side you have a HDMI port, a Thunderbolt port, SD card reader. Good if you're making videos, then definitely this is going to be a very good option. On the left you have the power adapter place, then you've got 2 Thunderbolts over here and your audio jack, so if you want to put your headset on from here. Just as soon as we open it up, it turns on, as you can see, and I'm just going to remove this. But to be honest, I think that Apple's refurbished products are excellent. There is no issue inside it. They look fantastic. The keyboard is not even slightly touched. It's just like a brand new book. Black area in the keyboard, rest is space gray. You got these I think so speaker cutouts over here. And yeah, that's it. So I'm not going to do a detailed testing of this MacBook Pro because you can see other videos. It's a beast of a machine, the M2 with the M2 Pro chip. So I just wanted to make this video to let you know, guys, that if you are ordering a certified refurbished MacBook Pro, there is no issue inside it. It's absolutely just like new. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and bye for now. See you then.